How to find saved videos on YouTube. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your YouTube application first and get logged into your YouTube account. Now, if you have saved any videos from your YouTube account, it will automatically be saved. In order to view where it has been saved, you have to tap on the U option from your bottom bar right-hand corner. Then you will see a page like this. Under Playlists, you will see Watch Later. Tap onto it. And here at this page, these are all the videos that you have saved from your YouTube account. Just like so, this is how you can view it as well. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, stay updated.